and I just said I did the things. Check the files. y'all do that for me, not me do it. I'm gonna eat shit. All right, let me make sure everything's running, and then once it is good, probably like 2 more minutes. 4 minutes ago. What? No, you're fine. No, you're good. We made it. We got the stuff up, and I'm ready to fuck it up, bro. I'm hoping. I don't know. I don't know what it is, but I get stressful on these learning fucking games, man. Oh yay! Let's go! I'm ready to blame you. Let's go. Man, I hope to God this one is like a 2-people stream, please. Nobody join. I'm begging. I know I'm gonna look stupid. Don't do it. Alright, let me start. It looks like everyone's running through. And then let me run TikTok. Okay, that looks like it's working. Alright, I'm gonna switch over to gaming, and they can hear everything now.
Yay.
Don't be slinging slurs like you were like 2 seconds ago.
What?
Why
not?
No!
Literal fascism.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Already a good start. Hello everybody! Is this stream I was showing whole? It is the time to show whole 100%. Hi, not the nicest. Hi, dipshit. Welcome. Hello. Today we're learning code. We showing whole everything. And here I got a special guest, stream expert and fucking coding expert. And if I fuck up, we're blaming him. Mupin, would you like to introduce yourself?
It's my fault. Hello.
We got a slur slinger and we're ready to go.
Oh wait, we got him too?
No! You drunk? Nah, I was drunk. Yes, the other stream. Bro, I needed that. Bro, oh yeah, not the nicest. Last time, oh my god, I forgot to say, yeah, on Thursday, I got my DD214. Yay! For those who don't know, that's the form that pretty much says, I am no longer serving the military. Oh. So yeah, no, I got drunk as fuck on Thursday. I feel so fucking bad for Bar. I feel like I was yelling in that motherfucker's ear for sure. Meanwhile, I just got my yeah! Congrats! Oh my god! Oh my god! Congratulations! Stupid fuck! Dumb bitch! Welcome! Let's go! Welcome to the NCOs. Hell yeah, that's cool as shit. Congratulations, man. That's a big fucking step. You got it. You're gonna get sergeant. Alright, anyways. Today we're gonna be playing. I'm gonna ignore that. We're gonna be playing the Fisher. Fuck. The farmer was the farm. I keep on saying that the fucking. Okay, yeah. You guys can obviously see who's playing what. Cause look at this motherfucker go. What the fuck is that? Apparently, at the end of this game, I could do that. I can get my concealed. No, okay, I got you. Got scared there for a second. I was like, what do you fucking mean, brother? But yeah, we're gonna play The Farmers was Replaced. It's a game to learn coding, and as somebody who, I don't know, I want to say I know a little, but every time I get fucked over. So I'm ready to show how stupid I am, and let's get it. All right, what is going on over there? You got a maze?
Yep.
You got like 2 fucking things? Oh my god. Oh.
You got 2 things over there as well.
What do you mean? I got only 1 little guy. What do you mean?
Yep, you have a little piggy bank. He's flying around. There you go.
Oh, look at that! Oh, that's actually, I thought that was just the part of the menu.
Nope.
Okay, cute. Alright.
Gesundheit.
Thank you. Alright, so it says this window of information is about everything in the game. Ah! You can move windows around and by dragging and dropping the gray part of the window. You can move around by dragging anywhere outside the windows. To get started with program, go to the first program page by clicking it. Be sure to check out the buttons in the top right of the screen to hover over them to see the tooltip explaining what to do. One of them opens the tech tray. I'm guessing this guy? I'm guessing this guy. Oh.
That's for a new code window.
Okay. Oh, sure. All right, so I click on the first program. Ooh, oh, no. Yeah, good.
You're gonna have to do some reading.
I know. Enjoy coding game. Gotta clean up piece. Be safe. Good luck. Don't fucking get distracted if you find something. I swear to God, you know how that shit goes. Don't do it.
Unless
Be
it's
safe.
A cat, then it's okay.
Unless it's a cat. That'd be... Yes. All right, let's get... Oh, hey. Look at that. Oh. All right. Thank God I'm not drinking for this, because Lord, I didn't know I was gonna have to read up in this bitch. All right, all programming is done in code.
You were not expecting to read in a programming game?
No, I really thought it was just gonna be like images. I thought it was gonna be an image book.
Little like code blocks? No, this is proper text.
Alright, fair enough. Thank you so much for the like, dipshit. What do you want me to call you? Because I feel like that's so rude. I don't mean to call you dipshit, but that's literally your name, is dipshit. Alright. All programming is done in code windows. Each window corresponds to a text file containing code. You can rename the file by clicking on the name at the top of the window. Okay, the code can be edited by the... Okay, so that was like the little thing that I was... Alright. You can create more code files using the plus button in the upper right corner. Yep, that's what I did. You can dock a window to another window by dragging it.
Yep.
Wait, what?
Code windows to code windows.
Oh, like if I had another one and I'd put it in? Do it. Oh! There we go. And then I can
see how I have little chains of them, and it's just, these are all a group of them that I'll have that'll all work together nicely.
Ah, cute! Look at that! Yep. I want to do what the officer. All right, that's adorable. All right, you'll notice that once you start typing, a code Okay, so it is like code. Do a flip. What in the world is this model? What do you mean? This is the peak male. Wait, that's not the right word.
This is what peak performance looks like.
Thank you. Yes. Wait, what? Would you rather read Sar Hunger or Till We Have Faces? Oh no, I don't know either of those books. So anyways, don't worry if this is your first time programming. The language is unlocked step by step. Oh, cool. Thank you. All right. So you won't be overwhelmed by all the things you could do. I already am overwhelmed. I don't like this. So you won't be, yeah. The syntax is also similar to that of Python.
I told you. This is basically Python.
All right, fine. That's fine. No, it's fine. All right. Which is one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. So learning it is not completely wasted. All right. Yep, I'm fucked already. That's not the one I know. But it'll be all right.
Python is fairly easy. It's pretty good for people who are learning programming.
Okay.
But it's also one that I know pretty well. I've been programming in it for years, so...
How many years?
I first started learning to program Python, I think, in around 2012-ish.
Damn.
And, like,
That's
don't do 20
it as
years.
Job. That's not 20 years.
No, that's not. I'm not that old. No, I've just been programming other languages for 25 years.
Damn. Okay. Shit, bro.
No, but yeah, no, Python is pretty useful for learning because you can look here and some of the context or some of the words that you'll use, they're all fairly easy to read. Mm-hmm. You'll have some symbols and you'll have some things to learn, but power equals number of items, and then what type of items? Items.power. So I'm getting the number of items that I have that are power. Okay. And I'm using a little variable called power to do that. to store that value.
Okay.
That's the idea. So it's fairly human readable, especially in comparison to a lot of other languages.
Yeah, but I'm stupid. But okay, all right. I'll take your
We'll
word
see
for
if
it.
we can work past that.
I know, right? Appreciate you. Appreciate the fucking patience. I appreciate the help. Oh my lord. All right. All right. If you already know Python, it's not a problem either. You'll be able to skip through the game Skip the early game quickly. All right, we're fucked. We're fucked. Still can't throw trees at Melin. What? What do you mean? The redeems didn't work? Oh, I turned them off. I thought I turned it back on. That's crazy. I didn't mean to do that. Well, anyways. Alright, currently there are 2 drones command available. Harvest and dual flip! Alright, got that. This is a function calls. You can think of a function as command that can be executed. You can execute it using the parentheses. Try typing the statement in the code window and pressing the execute button. Where you going? Where you going, little fuck? Where you going?
He'll float around. Whenever you harvest stuff, it'll go to him.
Oh, cute. Hi, Aaron. Hello. All right.
So the way it works is you'll have a variable, you'll have a function, you'll have all sorts of these different random concepts.
Okay.
Functions are it is text for like a name for something, such as do a flip. The way that you tell Python to execute that function in order to do the thing for it, you would type out its name and then open and close parentheses after it. So like they show there, do a flip, open close parentheses. Now if you run the code.
Which one? This one?
Yep.
I didn't see it! I didn't see it! Look at him go! Oh!
There you go.
Look at him! Get it, bitch. Get it, bitch. Get it. Oh, I got him.
You just like looking at his backside, don't you?
Yeah, it's hot, bro. Can you blame me? Alright, how do I get that? I want to see a pig do something. Is that the harvest?
The pig doesn't do anything. He just floats around. Harvest is for
But he's so
whatever
cute.
plant. I know, I'm sorry.
Boo.
Harvest is for whatever plant is underneath your drone.
Oh man.
So if you type out harvest and then open close parentheses.
I know you made this fucking game, bro. Why can't the pig do something? Make the pig do something. Oh, look at it.
You'll also note it only goes to the pig once the grass has stopped growing. If you harvest it too quickly, it hasn't had a chance to grow. That like hollow play button, that is one step of the code at a time.
Okay.
So if you do that, then it'll show to you that it's paused and it's waiting to execute the next command.
Okay.
Whereas that is just play everything all at once.
All right.
So
Unlock.
now that you've collected a few hay, a few grass, let's take a look at your tech tree.
This guy. That's not it. We talked about this. This guy. Yeah. Okay.
The green one that you have at the top is the first one.
Oh shit.
So, it cost 5 hay, but now that you clicked on it, you already had 6 hay, so you're able to purchase it. Now you have while loops.
Oh. Okay, so you have hold on, wait. Quote of the day of life is like a dick sometimes. Quote of the day. Sorry. Life is like a dick sometimes. It's up, sometimes it's down. But it'll never stay hard.
Not with that attitude.
I hate you. Alright, while loop. You have unlocked the while loop and the value true and false. The while loop keeps executing shit my eyes. The loop body as long as the condition is true. Loop condition. Wild condition. My fucking bad. Loop body. Don't worry about creating infinite loops. The delays in the execution will prevent the programming from freezing. For beginners, perhaps you already tried the harvest. Okay. Wait, if I
Try that out.
They're saying if I put it multiple times?
Yep.
Okay.
This is the reason that you would type it out. So now if you try running that,
Oh.
you click it one time and it'll run 4 commands. what it'll do, so if you click on the right one, you'll see that it'll do it one time. That's
And they'll
stepping
stop.
through the program one command at a time.
Okay.
So if you need it to run slowly so you can figure out where something's going wrong, you can do that.
Aww, that's sexy. All right.
Yep. So now, the thing that it's trying to teach you, though, right now is you have something called a while loop. The while loop is the idea that you have a section of code that you want to run multiple times. You want to run that code as many times while the condition is true. For now, we don't have conditions, so all we can do is we can say while true. So
Okay.
while true is a true statement, which is always, then it'll continue to execute the commands inside, which will be forever.
Okay, so I'm guessing it's gonna be like. Oh, Jingle. Right. Well, true. And then
It has to be a capital T.
It does?
If it's a lowercase t, it thinks that it's a variable
Ah!
named true.
Alright. Wait, no.
Yes.
Yes?
If you do the colon, for when you're doing loops, and in general, it's
Is that
everything.
like. I can't see that. Is that a colon or is that. Hold on, wait. I got my glasses. I have my glasses! Yellow.
It's a colon.
It's a colon. Okay. Colon, not a semicolon. Okay.
It's in short. Yep.
Is
So
that enough
when you go to
indeed?
harvest, go click right before harvest tab.
Oh. Does it do it for all of them?
The colon is to say you have something that's going to be executed essentially inside of while. Now, the thing that is inside of while is that one harvest command. And the idea is that once the condition would be false, then it would execute the other commands outside of the loop.
Oh. Okay.
Yep. But since true, as like, a little piece of text is always going to be true, then you're never going to get to any of the following code.
Okay. Alright. Oh fuck, where was I? Oh, what you showing the class?
The same thing that you're doing down here. So, true will always remain true, so it'll always execute exclusively these two pieces of code. It will never get down to this one because it cannot ever exit this loop.
Okay.
That's the idea. Real simple.
Okay. Cute.
Yep.
Oh, jingle. There we go. Why did it take me a second to figure out whose was who? That's so unfortunate. This does not bode well for this fucking stream. No. You guys have to know I'm dumb and I'm not gonna go! And I want to make the excuse that I'm dyslexic. No, I'm just dumb. Alright. Fuck, where was I? Fuck. Whatever, anyways,
Just a little bit higher.
which is, okay, there we go. This will allows you to harvest several times of the program run. Oh, wait, yeah. Bro, what? Okay. However, it would be nice to harvest more than 3 times. Write the same code multiple times is bad practice. The solution is the loop. Okay, yeah, while the loop is conditional, which is a logical value, that only could be one of the 2 states, true or false. Such a value is called a boolean. Like bouillon?
Boolean literally means it can only be one or another. There's only 2 possible states, and we just very commonly use true and false.
Hi, little. What? You vomiting to the feet? What's wrong with the feet? You jealous? You jealous? Sounds like jealousy. All right, then the
Some
loop
weird stuff for him,
execute.
too.
I don't want to hear it. You were talking mad shit before we started stream, brother. Telling me everything.
Oh, I would never. That doesn't sound like me at all.
Oh, sure. I got the clips. All right. So the loop then executes the code inside the loop until the condition is false. The while loop. Okay.
The
yes.
while loop
yes.
looks like this.
I don't know. That just didn't sound English. I'm sorry.
It's fine. No, I understand. Sometimes, it's weird thinking about. Sometimes you have to think about it in different ways that you're not used to. So it's fine. I understand.
All right. While condition,
So,
loop
while
body,
condition,
loop body. Okay.
then you have the loop body, and then once you go out of that one indented part, then it's outside of the loop body. The loop body is for that layer of indentation and further indentation.
Okay. Alright. Where you have to replace condition with a boolean value, and then loop body with whatever you want to do in the loop. There are two constant boolean value available. Constants are values that never change during the program. To create constant boolean values available. Constants are values that never change during the program. To create a constant boolean value that is always true, you can simply write true. Write false as a constant boolean value that will always be false. All right, so you could write
What they're essentially saying is kind of like stuff that where is it? I can show you up here. Yeah. So I know my code's going to be a little bit more complicated, but I'll usually write out some variables near the top for things that I might frequently change. So like I have water level equals 0.9, and the idea is I'm never touching water level, I'm never changing it, but if I want to care about what like the water level is going to be throughout the runtime of my program, it's easier to just use the variable named water level and then go to this one place to change it if I decide that I want a lower water level or a higher water level. That's the idea. So the constant is 0.9, and then the variable name is water level.
Okay.
That's the idea. And then what they're saying there is essentially just the same thing, but for true and false. So I'm using, the constant is false for whether or not I want my code to be verbose. So if I want it to say a whole lot of stuff when it's running. And right now that's set to false, and if I change it to true, then my code will start saying a lot more stuff while it's running to make it easier to figure out what's going wrong. But the variable name is verbose in this example.
Okay. I guess I'm gonna do the what they told me to do.
You can.
Just so I can get I want the awards. Give me my fucking awards. Can I not just press enter, or is it tab? Okay, it's tab.
Tab will autocomplete, enter will go to a new line.
Oh, all right. Do a flip. Bitch! What? Oh.
So,
what? Oh, it's the fucking, it's the parentheses.
Yes.
Bitch.
Without the parentheses, it thinks that you mean a variable called do a flip. And because that hasn't been defined, it doesn't know what to do with that.
Okay. True. Pinche pendejo, you just said it too. You just said it. Hey, you should do tab. There we go.
That happens.
Yay! Look at him go! Look at him go! Look at him go!
The one that was while false, because that condition is always going to be false, it will never execute the loop.
Okay. Fair enough. All right.
And then the one that's true, it'll always execute while it's true, which is always.
Hold on, wait. Actually, you know what? While I read slowly, let me harvest some more so I can. I'm assuming that's my way to pay through shit. So I'm just gonna.
You can see in the top left corner, you're already at 400.
Just gonna get the monies. Oh fuck no! This game's about coding, brother. Good luck. Thank you, Yohi. Also, yeah, Mupin. We're here with Mupin. You missed it. He was glazing the fuck out of you. I was asking him, hey, who would be the person that you'd be gay for? Because apparently it ain't Zuko. He said you. Look at you. Be proud.
I said I already got man enough for me.
Yeah, exactly. He was glazing in me too, don't worry. Alright. Okay. please, Muffin Tub, please.
Going to kiss and tell.
Jesus Christ. As I say, please tell me you have the comments open so you can see the shit. I don't have to read it. Please tell me you see the shit.
I'll open it back up.
Thank you. Man, because I'm right. No. Oh Lord. Well, I'm proud of y'all. Look at you go. I'm glad you got your hole filled before we got in here. Look at you go. Alright, the first will never do a flip. Yep, and the second will always do flips in infinite loop. Normally, creating an infinite loop is a bad idea because it will freeze the program. But in the game, there are delays between each iteration of the loop, so it will cause the drone to keep doing a flip until you manually stop it by pressing the execute button again.
Yep.
I wasn't filled, bro. Okay. Yep. That's all you muppet. I hate this. Yoshi! He's literally here. Just fucking talk to the motherfucker. I hate reading. I hate having the ability to read this shit. Oh my god. He got bad. Ah! Notice how the infinite... Notice how the line after the colon is indented. The indented boof boof. Yeah, Muppet, how do you read that, by the way? How do you read that last line of Yeah, he says it's a dog barking, but I think it's like a fucking like a oh my god, I can't even think of it. A big like chow chow or something.
It sounds like that Rizzler thing to me. It's like, let me get 4 big boofs for that.
Oh my god. Oh, I can see it. I don't
remember what they say.
I think it's boom, literally.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, 5 big booms. Yeah, no, I get that one. No, it sounds like a fucking. Oh my god, a beagle. It sounds like a big like droopy beagle. Moo, moo, moo.
Your brother died. He gets 5 big boofs.
Jesus Christ.
Only if they're big boofs.
Only if they're big boofs. Can you give us 5 big boof muffin?
Boof, 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 boof.
Thank you. Appreciate it. The people.
Were those big enough?
No, they're big. I don't know. Ask your man. Notice how the line after the colon is indented. Indentation like this is used to separate blocks of code. Just press tab to add indentation and shift and tab or backspace to remove it. The loop will repeat all indented statements after the colon. Statements after the indented block will be executed after the tab has finished. Hell yeah. Oh, hey, look. Oh, no, never mind. I had my glasses on and I was just like, oh, yay, my model can blink. Wait, I can blink! Stop! Die!
Blink, motherfucker!
I know. I'm like, oh, there it goes. There it goes. Yay! That's why I usually don't wear it. Well, 1, I never fucking find it, but 2, I was like, bro, sometimes the model just don't be working. Oh! Which one should I do? Hat? Is that seed? Oh, speed.
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 Get your mind out of the gutter.
Oh no, bro. Y'all were literally just talking about seed. Get your ass out of the gutter.
We didn't say seed. We said battered.
Oh, ah! All right, we're gonna do seed. Thank you. They're asking how your day is.
My day's been pretty well. I haven't done a whole lot. Just had some breakfast and then was chilling out.
Hell yeah, hell yeah. What was
playing
brekkie?
A little bit of this earlier.
A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Oh, the game.
Yes. A little bit of the.
Yeah, I thought you were like just like a little bit of this, a little bit of that. My bad.
Hell yeah.
Oh Jesus. I don't know. I didn't think he would want to say everything about his life. I'm sorry. I thought I was just going to keep it vague. Fuck you. Enjoy your fishing. Twat. All right. Speed upgrade. Let's get it. Let's get that seed upgrade. Let's get that seed upgrade. I'm good.
I want you to notice you are not getting any more hay right now.
What? I'm not.
You remember what I was telling you before?
Oh, because it was
you need to wait a certain amount of time.
Okay. All right, well, let me stop a hoe.
So, speed upgrade, checking before harvest. So if we only had true and false as conditions, which is of course not very useful, with if. The new condition can harvest provides a better condition. Can harvest returns true if the plant under the drone can be harvested, and false otherwise. So you can do if can harvest, then do something.
Okay. So then, alright, that's okay. Okay. Literally what Melin said. Then go do it. Go get it. Get it. Don't stop. Get it. Ay, chingado way. I thought it would be alright if I did that shit, you twat. Alright, so then it'd be D. And then,
Yep.
So what, harvest?
Yep. If you can harvest, then you will harvest.
Okay, cool. Hello, purple dorple Malin Furple. I love you.
Hello.
I'll just notice that your schedule isn't on Discord. You're lying. Good. Tell me why the fuck the grocery store was playing Despacito in 2026. Because fuck you. All right.
It's because Yoshi's brother died. I think he got 5 big booms and played Despacito.
Holy shit, you're right, Alexa. Yeah, that's sad. Alexa, play Despacito. Damn, I forgot about that meme. I hate you for reminding me about that shit. You're a bitch. That shit sad. Alexa, play Despacito. Ugh, damn. Fuck you. That sucks. Oh goodness. But hi everybody.
Do you remember before you had it running continuously and it would keep harvesting in the background?
Mm-hmm.
Now every time if you click play, it'll only do it once.
Yes. So then I just do the wild true if can harvest up on top.
Why don't you try it out?
Oh my god, you're like Nick and I hate you. That shit stressed me out when we did that stream. I was like, oh, you know, I'm barely paying attention. I'm trying, but I'm stupid. Or not barely paying attention. I'm just dumb.
Hold on.
What's up?
So, if it's inside of a loop, you designate that it's inside of the loop by adding an indentation. Perfect.
Like, I swear I'm listening. I just always feel like I'm gonna fail.
You're doing good.
This is such a teacher response. Does this work? I don't know. Try it out. I know. I always hated that shit. Like, can I please go to the bathroom? I don't know. Can you? All right, I'm gonna kill. Sorry, I can't say that. Myself! All right.
I want you to experiment.
No, and you're right, and that's a good teaching moment. I appreciate you. However, I'm like a childish fucking dick and want to cry, all right? Okay.
So what it's doing here now, while true, it's going to keep doing a loop. Inside of that loop, if it can harvest, it will harvest. If it cannot harvest, it's going to skip over that.
Hot.
So what you'll... Calm down, we're not talking about Zuko. What you'll notice is, if you look, it'll highlight each command that it's doing when it's doing it. And if you look closely, you'll see after it does a harvest, it'll kind of highlight that can harvest one for a little while longer. What it's doing is it's checking once, it can't do it, skips over, immediately goes back to the start of the loop, checks again. She's not the only one who has that. So it's going to just check those a few times while it's waiting for your hay to continue growing. And then once it's finally, grown enough that it can be harvested, then it'll do that. Okay. Make sense?
Yes. What do you want me to do? Yes, sir. Yes, teacher.
Yes, it's fine. I didn't...
Yes, sir! Yes, sir! All right. Okay, that does make sense, though. Thank you. Also, what the fuck is attention deficient bananas? The fuck? Or is it just has attention deficits? Am I being dumb? Can I not read today? I can't read today, huh? Alright, we'll just take it.
No, it's not that. You're just not the only one who has attention deficit bananas.
Okay. Alright, return value. Wait. That's pretty much what we. Yeah, we learned this! Right? Yeah, if it runs.
So,
does this,
what it's saying right here.
The statement knows if it's true or false. Yes, what's up?
What it's saying right here is when you do can harvest, what it's doing is it's running some code in the background. That code is going to tell you whether or not it can or cannot be harvested. When can harvest finishes running, it'll return a value. That value in this situation is going to be true or false. And then what it'll do is it'll say if true or if false. And that just depends on whether or not, it can be harvested. Okay. So what they're saying here is it's going to evaluate as if can harvest evaluates into true. So then if true, okay, true, do that thing. Then the next time it'll run, it'll do if can harvest results as false. So if false, no, don't do it. Skip over it.
Okay.
That's in the background.
Okay. That makes sense. Thank you.
Yep.
This I'm glad I'm recording this because it's the same thing that happened with my Nick stream. I'm like it makes sense, but then I'm gonna fucking need to see this again to be like, what is this? All right, so that's it. All right, let's go to the next little guy. Look at him. I love this little thing. Look at him.
Your little piggy bank.
Yeah.
Piggy bank drone.
I know. Well, actually, yeah, I always wondered, how does it work for you guys? Like, how do you take notes? How do you guys learn? Like, what's best for you guys?
I just forget and then go back to learn it again.
Oh. Yay! Thank you, Word. Yes, I'm so glad I'm in the car. Boof! I hope that's heard in the car. Please tell me I'm up. Please tell me you have the volume up.
I was gonna say, that's such a compliment to you.
I know. Let's go. I'm about to go fishing. All right, be safe in your fishing. All right, let's actually. You know what? I honestly thought that was fishing for a second. I was like, can we do some kind of hats? Change hats. Grass. I mean, I want to get some more monies. What would that be? Grass?
The unlock cost is under each one of them. You have, at this point, 1,600.
Hella money. I got hella money. You're supposed to say boof the same day as you say ara. Boof. Okay. What?
Boof.
Clip that, please. Also, you got the name right. Wired. Everyone gets it wrong. Oh my god, thank god! Bro, do you know how many times I fucking don't know how to read people's names and shit? Usually I give them fucked up nicknames. Hell yeah! That or if I'm... Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. The other reason why I probably give you a nickname is probably because the word smells to me. Because I smell words. Some in my autistic head, I don't know how I got that, but I got that. So yeah, no, if I give you a nickname, that's a clue that your name, when I say it, smells. Anyways, let's get some more grass up in this bitch. Wait, what?
Oh, stinky word.
Oh, yeah, you got a stinky word. Alright, I'm gonna do this one. Expand. Let it grow. Oh,
hey, look,
grow.
You have 3 tiles now.
Oh! Look at me go! Oh! Boof. Alright, your farm has grown! The space is not much. Use if you can. Move the drone. No, not the move! Wait, no, I know this one. I think I know this one. Wait, hold on. I think I know this one! Is it not just... Okay, hold on. Yeah, okay. It's just that. Never mind. I don't like this. Alright, let me stop this. And... while it's also indebted, so everything's true, I'll just have it move.
Just so you know,
South? What? What's
if
up?
you start typing in that little window while it's running, it'll automatically stop on its own.
Oh! Boo! Alright, fine. I'll have it do north and south. I pinche been that whole way. I swear to God, I'm gonna cry. Alright, there we go. So it's just gonna move one way though, right? Oh! 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 Okay, I thought I had to like make it go up and down. Look at it go!
It'll wrap around.
Hell yeah, the good old wraparound. That's what I call my dick. Alright, I'll shut up. Alright, I got this one. I got this one down! I don't need this. Listen! Fuck you! What?
Nothing. Forget it.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Showed me a post about how mad they were because Suki only had one kid and they were Zuko's wife. Huh? Because Suki only had one kid and that if they were Zuko's wife, they would have a baby every year. Oh, 100%. 100%, bro. If I was Zuko's... Give me that man. Give me that fucking man. The fact that he only had one is crazy, bro. I meant Zuko, not Suki's. No, I get it. 100%. It's the same thing with all of them, bro. Like, I know. That's why I'm like, I can't understand. And now I get it. I understand now Katara's fucking 4 fucking... What was it? Yeah, they had 3 kids, right? 4 kids? Boomy, Tenzin, and... Yeah, okay, they had 3 kids. Nah, bro, I'll get all of them. I would fucking... make the whole population with that shit.
Only one a year?
Only one a year. Nah, brother. Pregnant every fucking day. Give me that shit! Oh, holy shit. Oh, valid. I haven't been fishing in ages. Oh, they're talking to each other. Cute. Hi, Nugget. Hello. Welcome. Come in. Join and learn. Learn fucking coding. Say bark. Haha. We don't got that here. Hi, Poopa. Hello. All right, expand.
And yet it still worked.
Shut up! Shut up! Don't stop it. Don't be right. All right, plant. Grass is nice, yes, because it grows automatically. All other plants have to be planted with plant. Oh, we get other plants? Oh. Yep. Yeah. The only plant you can plant right now is a bush. Alright, sorry. You can pass the type of plant you want to plant to the function like the... I don't like that. That's a lot of fucking words. Alright. Melin Farah for the... yes, 100%. Aang in the gang. Aang in the fucking gang, bro! Everyone can fucking get it! Everyone and their mamas! God, I beg all the time for them to be a fucking polycule. Please. It's the same thing of how I felt for fucking I want to say Shaggy in the gang, but I don't want to fuck the dog. Everybody in that fucking group too is a polycule and you can't tell me. Alright, let me see what happens if I do that. Oh, look at that! Okay, how do I plant a home? Do I just have it say plant after it?
So, as you can see in their little example, the idea is you would use the plant command. The plant command, similar to how you did move, you have to tell it what to plant. So with move, you have to tell it what direction to go in. And then with plant, you have to tell it what thing you want it to plant.
Oh wow, look at that.
Yep.
Alright, let me see. Oh, wait, so this has just been grass this whole time? Oh, so we are going to see a new thing. I was like, I want to do a new one. Let's go.
Yep.
Oh?
So the way that you have it set up right now, what it's going to do is it's going to plant. Then, once it's planted, it can't harvest it, so it's going to sit there and loop until it can harvest. Then it'll harvest, move, plant, and then wait.
Shit.
What I think would probably work better is if you have move after plant.
I see. What the fuck was that? Alright. Move. Dude, north. Okay. Run, bitch! Yeah, look at him go! Look at him go!
Now it'll move to the new one. It'll sit there and wait until it can be harvested, and then once it can, it'll harvest it, plant a new one, and move.
Oh, look at him go! Look at him!
Hell yeah.
Look at him go! Okay. I'm guessing I'll get into it, but what if I want like some grass and some bush? Bush and some grass. Well, no, we'll get into it. All right.
We'll get into it. But
Rage baiting my fat tanuki.
If you want, what we could do, we could set something up for that right now.
Sure. Fuck it. Let's see if I can learn. Let's go. Hi, Avery. Hi, Avery. Open a new window.
Oh, hey, Avery.
Hey, Avery.
Do you remember that you can change the name of them?
Huh? Of these little guys?
Yep. So if you want to make it more descriptive, like you can see on my screen, I have global variables, common functions, main, etc., etc., etc. What you can do is you can have one for harvesting everything as if it were grass, and then one for everything if it were bushes.
Yeah, you guys you're right. Or well, you know what? Yeah, I'll put this one grass. So I'm guessing we're gonna do that, and then I'll put this one as bush. Yeah, no, I fear if I ever give anybody my codes, they are a mess. Even though my teacher Nick did say to type it in everywhere. All right, let's go. How do I get these fuckers to do both? I want both.
Right now, you don't have a way that it would be able to do both. Or, yeah, I mean, like, you can. It would be a little tedious to do. I wouldn't recommend doing both right now. But what you can do is you can copy all the code that you have for your bush program right now.
Okay.
And now, how can you convert it back so that way it doesn't plant bushes anymore?
So just entities grass?
Sure. And let's try it out. So
why'd you say it like that? Wait, am I wrong?
Let's find out. Let's see what it does.
Beach, even though I hate you! Okay. Okay. Oh, but I can't have it done both.
What it's doing, you can see it'll harvest one, hay, and then after that, it'll plant another grass. And the reason why I'm saying, let's try it out, let's see what it does.
Yeah.
I would recommend getting rid of the plant entities grass function. Because once you harvest it, it's already going to default back into grass. So it doesn't need another grass already planted.
Oh, well, actually, hold on. I've made it a bush, so let me just do that now. Okay. I see what you mean.
Yep.
And
there you go.
I see. Mupin, coding by day. I'm not reading that. That's all you, Muppet.
Coding by day, daddy by night.
There you go. You got your thing to to use later. All right.
Only by night.
Jerk material. There it is. Yeah, into the spank bank. There you go. Ooh, actually, you know what? Hold on, I forgot to also do that. Only by night, though. That's what they said. Oh, I fucked up. God damn it! I keep on fucking that, dude! I'm so sorry. Yeah, shout out to that motherfucker. That was the other one that taught me code.
While we're streaming? Come on.
I'm gonna kill a bitch! Alright, so I'm gonna keep on going. Alright, we got carrots up in the hole. Let's go!
Yep.
Alright, before you can plant. What? Before I plant with carrots, you have to till the soil. This
Yep.
will change the ground to ground soil to till the soil. Simply call it till. Calling till. Again, will change the ground. What the oh, it's all that. Damn! What the fuck is that, brother? That looks scary. Alright, so...
If you take a look over here, you'll look at the ground. The ground is grass. Then if I go to my program for carrots, the first thing that it'll do is it'll turn everything into tilled ground. It has to be tilled ground, otherwise you can't plant grass. It'll just run into an error.
Okay. So before I do that, I have to... So what? Put ground... Wait, no. Yeah, grounds... Huh? Did I spell it right? Grounds... BJ, what?
It doesn't... Let's see. Change the ground to grounds.soil.
Grounds...
Right now, it doesn't... You would need a capital G, but you don't really have anything that you can do with grounds.soil. Grounds.soil is just going to be like, if you were to... You don't have the function right now, but if you were to sense like what type of ground is below your drone right now, then it would say.
Oh, so I can't do... So I can't even do this right now?
You can do it. You don't have a way to detect whether you have grass.
Oh, so I have to unlock something else. Bitch! Alright, fine. Yeah. Alright. Wait a minute. This was like exactly like Miko. It is! Oh, thank you. I'm so glad somebody figured it out. Yes, yes. This is based off of Miku. This is based off of Miku. There's a Miko model just like this. And cause that's my inspiration for everything and everything I do. Because I love that woman as well as Sailor Moon. Yeah. Yeah. What's up?
I'll send you a video later, but there's one song, one cover that I've heard that heavily uses that same model.
Yeah, it is. I think I know which one.
I fucking love it.
There's two that I've seen.
The one that I'm thinking of was titled, what was it, like Hatsune Miku screaming for 5 minutes. I saw that and I was like, yes, let's listen to my queen sing.
Yes! Wait, what? You like Miku?
Me? Yeah.
Yeah. Have you seen her concerts?
I almost had the chance to go to a concert live when I went to Japan last year, but I did not win the raffle.
Oh, you did say that, you fucking cuck. Well, they're doing it again all the way around Europe and stuff.
Well, I'm not in Europe, so...
Well, they're doing it again all the way around the US and stuff.
The US ones, from what I hear, that's like the concerts
Trash!
don't run very well.
No.
Yeah. It doesn't go very well.
No, but I've been to a few, and I mean, it does the things. You get to wibble wobble and dance and cosplay. Womp womp, go see your fucking queen, bitch.
I would freaking love the chance to. I did get to see Otto live, though.
Oh! Nice! What the fuck?
That was an experience.
Yeah, holy shit.
But
How?
That was during her Hibana tour. She just happened to have a location that was nearby me.
Oh, nice. Yeah, no, I also got to see Aldo down here, but like I don't know. I thought like in the States or some shit. I was like, what the fuck? What?
Yeah, she was in the States. She had a worldwide. The Hibana tour was worldwide.
Oh shit! I guess it was.
She had like 30 locations in North America.
Good on her.
Hell yeah.
That's Shita. Yeah, Shita and I. Yeah. That me. That's the one. Yeah. There's a person on VGen that pretty much can make this Miku model for anybody and everybody. And honestly, 10 out of 10 would recommend, bro. That shit's funny as fuck. All right, so I guess I can't do the carrot one, so I'll unlock something else.
You can.
You just said I couldn't. What do you want?
I said you don't have a way to automatically detect if the ground is tilled or not. You can still till it. And now suppose what we do is we till 3 pieces of the ground. When you harvest, it'll still be tilled. So what you can do is till all 3 of them and then just have it keep running and running and running. If you want to get to that page a little bit easier, if you go to the tech tree, you can right-click on the thing. So the one for carrots, you can right-click on.
Cute. All right.
Yeah.
The classic Mizu is coming back to Fortnite item shop. I can't wait to get her. Yeah, I'm not here for Fortnite, bro. I never fucked with Fortnite. And now that I learned that they fucking put AI in there, get the fuck away from me. Get the fuck away from me.
Mood.
Yeah. I don't really care for them. But okay. I'm gonna play it because of Miku. Nah, I get it. Nah, I've heard that.
Also a mood.
But also, fuck Fortnite. They're a company that don't deserve your money. You could play, just don't fucking give them anything. They don't deserve it. Alright, what's next? What do we got? Where did I fuck up? How do I do this? I want carrots. I'm hungry.
So, how do you turn the ground from grassland into soil?
Ground soil. No?
Grounds.soil is the... Suppose you ran a function to say what the ground is below you. That's what it would tell you. Grounds.soil or grounds.grassland. That's not the way that you would convert it. The next sentence
oh, you mean like the plant?
Hold on. So the next sentence after that is, to till the soil, simply call till.
Mm-hmm.
That's how you would convert it from soil to grassland and grassland to soil. So try just doing till.
Okay. Till...
And then...
Beep.
Yep. And now if you run it, there you go. Now you have tilled earth. And every time it'll do that, it'll convert from one to the other. So then the thing is, you want it to always stay tilled earth.
Mm-hmm.
So what I would recommend is make a part of the program first where it'll till through all three of them, and then after that it'll go through and treat them all as if they're always tilled.
So... Yeah, fuck. Wait. Wait, is this right? If till can till kind of shit? Wait, am I doing this right? You're not gonna tell me, huh?
Right now, you do not have a... If you do if till, the way till works is it will do the thing.
Yeah.
You don't have something right now that'll tell you, like, if it is grass. That's a later unlock.
Okay.
So what I would recommend for the moment is till, move, till, move, till.
Aww. Okay, fine. So until...
You'll get something so that way you can make that a little bit better later.
Okay. So till... Wait, indent? Yeah. Wait.
Indent is for if you... Yeah.
Move. And then, yeah, fuck it, north.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we'll just do that. Bean chip in now. There you go.
Perfect. Now...
I want that bitch to plant. Hi, bro. Hello.
Melancholy.
Huh?
Melancholy.
I know, right? They're so creative with my shit. Oh my god, ghosts! Long time no see. No! No. I mean, don't get me wrong. Hi, nice to see you. But not this one. Not this stream. I'm stupid. Please. Please join another stream.
You're doing fine.
No. Alright, so this I'll just plant, right? I can plant my little entities.
Yep.
Carrot.
Yep.
Carrot. Let me show you this saving coming up. Oh, sorry. Alright, so plant that hoe. When aren't you in the... You know, I feel like I'm smart during... Oh, you got me there. Fuck you. Alright, bitch. Alright, I'll do carrot, move north. But how do I keep it? Oh, bean chip in the hole. How do I keep it where... Alright, fine. What we playing? We're playing the Damn, I keep on wanting to say Fisher. The farmer was replaced. It's a game about coding. It's a game about coding, learning how to code, and I got one of the biggest coder fans in here. Helping me out.
I'm a huge fan. I move so much air.
Exactly. Melin, you caca. Ha! Oh my mama, what do you mean? What? Bitch, fuck you! I try. I know I suck. Alright, so now that I planted these fucking things, push in air.
Me when I see a meme like.
Wait, is that mupin? It mupin. Yeah, it mupin. It
Hello.
mupin.
Hello.
I kidnapped that motherfucker.
Yeah.
The mupin. Yeah. Yeah, no, that's why I'm like, I can't appreciate him enough. This motherfucker has to have patience for days. Alright.
I've been playing this game
You're
for
always
days.
taking people. What? What are you talking about, Ace? What you mean?
I've been
Alright.
playing this game for days. I clearly got patience for days.
No, it's not even the fact that you play it. Bitch, you have to have patience for I'm something else. I don't know what kind of entity I am, but it's something. It's struggling.
You Amigu entity, that's what you is.
Fuck you. Alright.
I seen the model, I seen it.
No. Alright, how do I just start harvesting a motherfucker?
Yeah.
But will it...
How'd you do it with bush? How you harvest bush, Melin?
You push it aside and start eating that hoe. Anyway, sorry. Alright, fine. My bad. Alright, so...
First step, you move.
Oh, shit. Yeah. Wait, what?
Very, very important. You gotta check if you can get in there.
Oh, nothing wrong with the little bush. Exactly. It don't hurt nobody. What is it called? Fucking... Gotta venture up in that bitch. Alright, let me see. So, harvest. And then beat a bop. And then... move. Beat a bop. North.
I would recommend...
Or what can I just do this guy?
I would recommend plant first.
So, wild true plant.
Oh, hold on.
Wild true. Because, like, yeah.
So, think of it on a step-by-step process. First, let's imagine you have your drone. You've planted a carrot.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Do I want to harvest it? What's the first thing I should check? Can I harvest it? If I can harvest it, sure, then, yeah, let's go through that. So, step one, if I can harvest it.
Yeah, so if can... Or wait, no, it, like, just... If...
Yeah.
If...
No, that's
You
good.
Bitch!
What you're doing there,
Alright,
good.
fine. If can... You know, I'll question everything, bro. I'll fucking question everything. I'll burn this fucking place to the ground! Alright, sorry. Also, Ace on TikTok says, Muppin, can you help me? Perchance Melin has me stuck in... Shut the fuck up, stay in there. Shut the fuck up and stay in there. Stay quiet. Never mind, there's nobody talking. Alright, anyway, so I do this.
Alright, if you say so. I didn't see anyone talking, so, you know.
I'll never away from
so.
being
I trust you, Melin.
Yeah, see?
I know you would never lie to me, so...
Muppin Aw. I'll never shy away from being a jungle explorer. Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Bro. That's what I'm saying. It's like the whole fucking... What the fuck is going on? What's happening? Sorry, I have the chicken the chicken stream in the back, and they are going crazy, dude. They are going crazy right now. I'm just wondering what's happening. Yeah, I have a chicken stream. So there's a stream called Our Chicken Life, and they go 24/7 streaming their like ranch of like chickens. And yeah, exactly. Fuck yeah. But I've been watching them constantly. I'm trying my hardest to get. Hold on, I'll tell you. 250k channel points to drop an apple, pretty much to like feed him, give him like a snack, you know.
Aww.
I know, and I'm at 90K.
Hey, that's halfway.
I know! Ah! I don't even know when I started it, to be honest. So I can't even be like, oh, perfect, like another 10 days. I don't even know. I don't even know when I started this shit. But I'm fucking after it.
Halfway.
I'm after it, bro. I know, I'm so excited. I get to feed that baby. I want it to chihuahuas. Also, what the fuck is this avatar? This avatar looks cursed. How about you start sucking toes? Don't be a bitch. Start sucking toes. All right, if harvest, and then if you
have him join the line.
Hey, yo! Hey! Jesus Christ. All right, so if harvest, then harvest. But wait, no.
Yep.
So if harvest, then harvest. But then I wanted to plant and move.
Yeah. So imagine your drone just moved over a new carrot. All right? The carrot was planted a while, so you can harvest it. So you're now in the condition where it can be harvested. The first thing that you do is...
harvest.
Perfect. Exactly. That's it.
Okay, yeah, so harvest.
You can harvest it.
Harvest.
Then... now that you've harvested it, there's nothing there. So what do you do next?
Now you plant a hoe.
Exactly.
Okay. And to tease.
Yep.
I want to carrot. I'll chop them toes off before I suck them. You a bitch! You a bitch!
Hey, that'll just make it easier to suck them.
Muppin, this is a PG stream. I need you to calm down. You gotta put that boner down. Yoshi, start sucking him. We need him. Calm down. That's crazy, bro. All right.
Now that you've planted that carrot, we're gonna leave it for a while. So we're gonna move on to the next one. So move, and then after that, it's ready to check the next one. So. Yeah. Because of the while true loop, it's going to go back to the top and it's going to check the next one. Can harvest if it can harvest, etc., etc.
Wait, did I fuck up?
The problem that we're going to run into here is right now it doesn't have one to start with. So it's waiting for it to keep growing, but there's nothing planted there yet.
Oh, so I should have fucking planted a bitch. Wait a minute.
Let's make a new code file real quick, and we'll just have it plant, move, plant, move, plant.
How did your hair turn to toes, bro? Wouldn't you like to fucking know? What, you got a hair fetish too? What, you got a hair fetish too? What, you want a hair job? Or do you want a foot job, huh? Yeah, what then, huh? Which one you want, huh? Which one you gonna like more, huh? Bitch!
Porque no los dos.
Hey! What? Both. Hey! Not both of you guys. Jesus Christ. Alright, so I'm gonna have a motherfucker plant a carrot. And then move and plant a carrot. Wait. Yeah, I gotta do that. Fuck it. It's gonna be crunchy, but we're gonna like it. We're gonna like it. And then north. Yeah, 18 plus stream, but it's PG. Yeah, bro. What do you mean? Why are you questioning it? Had them both. Prefer the footy. Oh, did you like the hair job? I've heard a lot of horror stories, if I'm being quite honest. I don't know. I mean, as somebody who has tried it, I don't know. I feel like it's terrible cleanup, but get it, I guess. It was different. Yeah. You said I think that's the point. I don't know, bro. I don't know.
So we ran into an issue because
there's no babies. I fucked it up.
I think it got interrupted in the middle of running.
Yeah.
So try running it again now. Now what it's going to do is the carrots are going to take a while to grow. That's why it's stopping there for a second.
Okay. No. Okay, this is making some sense. For now. Hold on.
I mean, do you want it to not make sense? I can.
No. If you do not show me your fucking do not. Oh, I bet you have some wild shit, bro. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna put the chickens back up. So sorry again, everybody, if you hear chickens in the background. I have the chicken stream in the back. And there, look at them go! All right. You know what? I'll probably write them in right into it so you guys can all see. A hair job just doesn't sound like appealing. Well, you a bitch. You ever think of that? Your name, you sound like a bitch.
Different strokes for different folks, as they say.
Hey. Oh, speaking of strokes, bro, I just found, or somebody showed me a foot toy, a foot job toy. Bro, I honestly have never been more impressed. I don't know. I'm like surprised and like amazed. Like I was like, you know what? That does make sense. Why isn't this a fucking thing? I
There's
don't know.
so many toys out there where it's just like, who in the world thought of this?
No, it's fucking smart for sure, bro. But I'm about that shit immediately. I wasn't expecting any less for the chicken stream. Oh, thank you. Did you shout him out? Does it show? Can you shout him out? I thought I did have it where everybody could shout him out, but I guess the fuck not. I mean, I guess that does make sense. If I did have it as general, no. Why the fuck would it? Yeah, see? There they are! Yay! Bye-bye! Yeah, they've been going for fucking 24, bro. They're cool as shit. 10 out of 10. Oh my god, hello! Thank you, Stoned Lioness. Welcome. No, it didn't work. I mean, I think there was a reason for it, but at the same time, it seems stupid.
So, we ran into an issue.
Yeah, I have no babies.
Yep. But, take a look at the top right corner.
Huh?
Top right corner. The top right corner, not left corner.
Oh! Chigaba!
The other right corner.
Thank you. Thanks for the follow. Hello. The other right. You know what? Yeah, thank you. You're right. Welcome. Hello. Welcome. And if you don't mind us asking, I don't even want to say it now. I want them to stay. I was gonna say some wild shit. Never mind. I am watching TikTok. I love your vibe so much. Oh, thank you so much. Welcome in. Okay, so you do know me. All right, cool. So then, if you're new here, or I mean, you kind of not. You seem to know me. If you don't mind sharing, I do care about my followers' well-being, mental and physically. So let me check that prostate. Show us your balls consensually. I need to know. When was the last time you came and what was the consistency? Okay, well, alright, anyways, let's read the next thing. What's wrong? What did I do wrong? Before they regret their thing, let me play this game. I have inside balls, ovaries. Bro, even so, that's even more of a reason to go get that pap smear, bro. That shit's scary. There's a lot of wild shit that can happen. It's good to get it checked, like your prostate. Get that shit checked. Ovarian cancer ain't no fucking joke, bro. EDM, that's not it. That's not the word. Endometriosis.
I was going to ask how electronic dance music fits into this. That's quite the stretch.
Nah, it's the same thing, bro.
Same.
Yeah, it is.
But
It's
still
same. Yeah, exactly. Oh shit, I just entered my period yesterday's account. Yes! Alright, perfect. Sounds good. I like EDM, especially hardstyle. See? See? It works. Y'all know what the fuck I meant. Fuck you. Alright, let's see. What did I do wrong before this person regrets their follow? Let's see.
You didn't do anything wrong.
Nah.
You just ran out of ingredients. In order to plant carrots, you need wood.
Bro, I know you got a hard one right now. Give it. Alright, sorry. Alright, let me.
No, Yoshi left the chat. It's
Oh,
fine.
you're right. He did go. Damn, bitch. Alright, what was it? It was bush, right?
Yep.
Oh, I gotta plant it. Bean chip in the whole way. Alright, let me do this one. I'll do entities. Bush. This is. I can get this. I
told you.
I could see this being like The Sims for real.
So that'll only do the one, so you have to go to the next one, and then the next one. Alright, now you can start up.
Yeah! Man, Melin, you
And
did
if
everything
I
wrong.
remember
No!
correctly, if I remember correctly, I think bush requires hay as an ingredient, but you already have 2,400
Oh, no.
hay,
Okay.
so you're set on that for a while. Hay doesn't require any ingredients.
Okay, yeah.
So,
That makes sense. That makes sense. Kind of. But alright, I'll make sure to add that motherfucker up so I can get some carrots. I want a farm. Can you, let me see your farm. Do you have any animals? Is there any animals or
animals.
just plants?
Just plants. No animals.
Then what's the point of playing, bro? There's no animals.
I got my little piggy.
Oh, you're right. The fuck, you bitch! You got me excited. I genuinely got excited there. I was like, you have a pig? How do I get a
Farm,
pig?
not a ranch. No animals.
But animals. Bitch.
My little piggy. My little piggy bank.
And now look at him. He's so cute. Hold on, while I'm getting wood, I'm gonna show you guys my piggy. Yeah, look at him. Yeah. Look at him go.
But do you actually need more carrots right now? What's your next unlock that you want to do?
Oh, you're right. Actually, yeah.
Let's keep that in mind.
About to put an Arby's coupon pack in general. Mods ban that motherfucker. Poop Hawaii.
Weird flex, but okay.
Oh yeah. What about you, Mupin? You like Arby's?
I mean, I don't mind. They got some cheap meals there. But, like, I don't think it's, like, amazing or anything. I think it's just fine.
Starting to learn. I could see it. I could see the type of person you are.
I think it's just fine. The other, I like the fries that they got there, but the other thing is I think they're very variable. I've had some that are just kind of... I've been to some locations where, like, the meat was just awful and it tasted horrible. And other ones where it's like, oh, yeah, whatever.
Okay. Then what are your top three fat food?
Are we talking breakfast or are we talking, like, lunch and dinner?
Huh? Do you have a You know what? Fuck it. 3 for all 3. While I harvest.
All three?
Yeah.
Well, lunch and dinner, those are both going to be the same.
Okay, well then 3
Lunch
for
and dinner,
fucking
think-
breakfast and the lunch and dinner category.
To be honest, I think if we're talking fast food, Chick-fil-A's, as much as I don't like the rest of Chick-fil-A, they're good fast food. After that, probably Burger King and McDonald's, but even then, they're just kind of okay.
Okay.
I like the Chris sandwich that they got at Burger King, and then I don't know. Chris sandwich I think is pretty good, but I also mostly like BK because like they're one of the few places that does ham, and I fucking love that.
Ooh, Chick-fil-A is mid at best.
It's mostly the biscuit. I think the biscuit is really good. I think the chicken is all right. But it's mostly the biscuit, and I fucking love biscuits.
So you're an ass man, got it.
Why do you think I'm with Yoshi?
That also makes sense about the fucking Muppet. He's all into that cake, bro.
I plead the fifth officer. I will not be answering any more questions.
Damn. Church's chicken biscuit is better in my opinion. Church's chicken biscuit.
I've never been to Church's for breakfast, at least.
Biscuit. Bam. I can't even think of that at the moment. I've been to Church's, and I feel like I've eaten a lot of their shit, but I can't think of any of it right now. Or I can't, like, put it on my tongue. Like, I can't taste it, you know, like the other fucking things. You put Evil Larry in the fucking Discord, I'm fighting you. Well, actually, thank you. I do want to see what the fuck that is. Because I don't know why I keep on thinking Evil Larry is from SpongeBob. Or from a show or something. Isn't there an Evil Larry, like, from Gumball or something?
I remember there was a Larry the bully back in SpongeBob.
Oh, Evil Larry is from fucking Star versus the Forces of Evil, you fucking bitches! I know that! Evil Larry.
Oh, who was
Star
that
versus
bully
the Forces
then in
of Evil.
SpongeBob? Yeah,
Which
that was
one?
the lobster, wasn't it?
Yeah,
The one guy that was beating up SpongeBob.
Which one was it?
There's one guy who was like the bully who just kept threatening to like punch him during one episode.
No,
is
that not the No. I know which one you're
the
talking
flat
about.
guy. The flounder.
Flounder?
I just don't remember his name.
The bully was a flounder, yeah, in SpongeBob. Yeah, I can't think of their name as well. But I know what you're talking about. Where it's just like, oh man, that makes me want you to punch you more. I want buffalo chicken Alfredo. I want Taco Bell fries.
Buffalo chicken Alfredo.
And cock. Evil Larry is a cat who
besides the
becomes meme.
obvious.
It became a meme, not for many shows. Okay, I'm sure. But like, the pickle guy? Is it the pickle guy? Is it the same pickle guy? No.
I don't... No. That guy was like some sort of like bass or something like that.
Oh, yeah.
No. But yeah, Flat's the flounder. I mean, that sounds right. It doesn't.
I don't know. Actually, does it even say their name? Well, I'm sure that motherfucker actually looked it up. But now, yeah, I was like, wait, I was thinking about it. It was the pickle. I thought it was the same pickle guy. Okay, that makes sense. Okay.
I'm glad we've immediately distilled programming. Doing something, forgetting what you were doing, and then just like, what was the name of that guy in SpongeBob?
Yeah, that's
Exactly what programming is like.
Oh, really? All right, cool. I was about to say, I feel like that's how it is for all my fucking streams, but you know, I feel better when you say that. Oh, I still need hella bush.
Why do you think I have 110 hours in this game? I've probably played it for like 20 hours. It's just been 90 hours.
Well, it definitely does feel like fucking... I like this kind of shit anyways. This is kind of like the roller... Damn. The type... Damn.
Roller Coaster Tycoon?
Thank you. It feels like it, like, you know, after like you like a clicker thing after a while, or you get so many points.
Like a bit like an idle game.
Yeah. Thank you. And then now I can unlock more. How I can get water. All right, let me see. Damn, that's hella shit. Trees cost carrots? You got me fucked up. Trees cost carrots.
Yes.
Go in water. All right.
Water will help it go faster.
Hey, let's go. Plant grows faster. Oh my god, you said that. That's crazy. All right, the ground has a water level ranging from 0 to 1.
If you take a look at the tilled earth that you have over there, it looks a little dry. If you take a look on my stream, the tilled earth that I have is, it looks
moist
pretty damp.
And wet. Okay.
Yes. Because, as I showed you before, I have a variable that I use for water level, and I just tell it if it's below 0.9%, then water it some more.
Okay.
So every time it's going along, it's going to just keep adding more and more water.
So should I open another one and get water for it, or should I involve it with the getting bush?
I would recommend involving it because the water is going to keep going down. You can't really tell in my program, but every single time it's going along, it's continually adding more. If I stop all of this, then it'll eventually dry out, and you can kind of see that.
Okay, so like that. Oh, chingalo. Ooh, I fucked it. Ooh, wait, no, I got it. Bush. Okay. Like that?
So, the reason it's not doing anything right now is because, as it's saying in the little code snippet there, the function getWater will tell you how much water is on the ground right there.
Oh.
So what it's doing is harvest, plant, 0, which isn't something that it can really do anything with. It'll just say, okay, 0, that is a number, and then move.
Pinche. Okay, so then I have to put
getWater will have to be involved in a decision because that's what you're using it for. What you'll probably want to do is you'll want to say like getWater is going to give me some number, and that number is currently below 0.25 or whatever.
Okay. And then use item water.
Use item. Yes.
Okay. Got it.
That's the idea.
Got it. Stupid, but got it. Okay. This is starting to make a little sense, but I feel like I'm gonna get pissed. I don't know. I can just feel it, dude.
I mean, if you want, I can show you some of the fuck shit that's coming up later. But,
Woo! Woo! Yeah, let me see. What you got? What you got?
Here you go. You can already see mine is no longer looking so good. It's looking pretty dry now, and you can see little spots coming in that are all drying up. And if I hover over it, it can actually tell you water is 0.26. After a while, that'll go down a little bit as well, 0.25. And then if I run, let's do carrots again. If I run this, now you can see every single one of them, it's putting down more water on each one of those tiles. And it'll just keep going along, keep making sure all the water is pretty high up.
Hot.
But if you want to look at something, I know.
He sounds so disappointed.
Calm down, I know.
I'm scared. God! Oh, look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god, oh my god. It looks like some shit's fighting each other. Oh my god, is that fucking, what is that, caterpillar? What the hell's happening?
Kind of like it. Yeah, I could kind of see that.
Oh my god.
So what it's doing is, these are sunflowers, and you can harvest sunflowers in whatever order that you want, but they work so much better if, instead of harvesting them in whatever order, you harvest all of the ones that have the most petals first. And
That's
what
so
it's
cool.
doing is, when it'll start out, I'll go ahead and stop this one real quick. When it starts out, it's recording how many petals is on every single one of those flowers right after it plants them. Then it has one little drone down here, and he's coordinating all of the other ones. And he says, here's all the ones that have 15 petals. And then he'll spawn out 31 other drones, and each one will be told, go pick up, this is your set of 10 to go harvest. So then they're all leaving from here, and this, the first one will say, I have these 10 over here, these 10 over here, these 10 over here. All of them are doing their however many they need. And then once all of the ones are done with 15, then he'll send out all the ones with the 14 petals. Then all the ones with the 13 petals, etc., etc.
Dude, hold on. First off, that's fucking cool as shit. It looks fucking amazing. Second off, the fuck just happened on TikTok? Hello? Stoned! Holy shit! I'm sorry I don't have a lot of redeems, but I do have something. Hold on, I owe them something, because holy shit. Holy fucking shit. You're welcome. Thank you. You did not have to do none of that. The fuck? I appreciate it. Here, hold on. I'll break my stream for you if you're on Twitch. If not, you're just gonna hear a lot of noises. Bro, you can call me Stony. Hell yeah! Alright, let me do this shit. Hold on, I'm gonna break the stream. Sorry if you're on TikTok. Yeah, you're gonna hear stupid shit. Hold on, I got you. I'm here again. Let's go, perfect! Let's go, I'll break my stream! Goodbye, everybody. If it ends, it ends! Thank you to Stony for this. Thank you for that. Thank you for it. You did not have to do none of that, but you're getting all this now. Muffin, be prepared. This might crash my shit. Everything's slowing down. Oh my god. If it ends the call, do not stress out. Just know what's happening. Holy shit. Oh, everything went away. Ooh. Oh, my model's glitching. Stream has stopped. Oh my god, am I still on the call? Oh shit! Okay. So far it's going down, I think. Oh, 100%. Yeah, no. I've heard this like literally breaks my shit. There we go, it's going down. Oh, my model is getting crunchy. There we go. Hell yeah. I think that was it. We're back. Everybody survived that? Hello. Thank you again, Stone. I hope that was worth it. I'm so sorry. All right. Also, I'll do this
fingers,
as well.
Got your toes.
Everyone back. Everyone alive. Everyone ready. Everyone good. We're ready to code again. Also, I'll do this. I'll also break my stream for this. Let's see. Ooh, it is still going. I think it's still going. I think it's still going. Alright, I think it's gone. I hope it's gone. We'll see. Probably not. It's hard to tell. Oh. Oh, I think, did Muffin leave?
No, I'm still here.
Oh, okay, because you're Fugigi. Or your shit, oh, I mean, it might have been one of the things that, like, fucked up because the stream. Okay, I think we're back. Everyone good? Nobody's saying anything. I'm scared.
Hey, I got all my fingers. I got all my toes.
Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah. I'm glad you made it. I don't know if any... But yeah, no, they sent to the galaxy. I don't know how much that is, but I've heard it's a big fucking thing. Damn. I hope that was worth it. I hope that covered it. Thank you so much. Scared the shit out of me.
Nothing about nothing for TikTok.
Yeah, I don't know shit about shit either. That's why there's nothing that happens whenever they do gift me shit, and I feel so fucking bad every time, bro. All right, that shit looks cool as fuck. Now that looks like Galaga. Look at him. Oh, I could like watch your shit for days. Oh wait, you know what? Actually, you know what? I want that. I want to grow. How do I grow more? Or is that later on?
It's later on.
You're a bitch. Your model ain't even moving. The stream is stuck. Ah! Give it a second, hopefully. Hopefully? Maybe? Probably not. Hopefully?
Fingers crossed.
Maybe? Yeah, I'll give it a second. Dude. Hold on, let me check. Oh my god, Muffin. There's 20 people watching my shit.
Ooh.
Why the fuck is that happening? This is not what I wanted. This is not what I wanted. Get away. Get away.
You said, right? You wanted a lot of people.
No,
for the stream, right?
I wanted like 2 people.
I thought you said like, as many people as possible, right?
Fuck. No, not this one. Not this one.
You telling me I wasn't supposed to invite people for this one?
No! God, no! Muffin! Oh my gosh. Hold on. Is it actually broken? That's funny as fuck. Oh, it is. It's still stuck on this. Okay, I think it's like slowly moving. Dude, that's crazy. Who the fuck are these people? Who are you guys? No! No! Alright. Is it good? Are we back? It looks like it. On mine it's back. We're back. Alright. Don't feel bad.
Good. I didn't have any issues.
Alright, I guess we're back. Stinky. How about... Stinky. How about you suck on my toes, bitch. Suck on my toes, bitch. Don't feel bad. It's more so that you know what? Yeah, I do feel bad. Because 1, I suck at this shit. And 2, like, I'm not, like, why are you guys here? I think your stream is froze. Is it still? Oh, I was going to say, my phone says it's good. Oh, no. Oh, goodness. Give it a second. It'll be all right. Oh, no. I mean, the main thing, I don't know. I didn't really want to be big. I just want to remember everything and learn everything. So that's why I really want to do the fucking coding thing, even though I was hoping to maybe do it in private. That was like 10 minutes ago. Oh, like that message was sent 10 minutes ago? Damn. Okay, so we are back. Holy shit. All right. Who are you? I don't know, man. All right. So I got water. Wait, hold on. Where am I? Actually, yeah. Where the fuck did my water go? Oh, wait, no. I did this. Got water, use item, move. Is that the one to do it?
You can do that, but get water is right here in this context. It's not doing anything. Because get water is most useful in making a decision.
Okay, so just use item is what you were telling me to do.
You can do that, yes, but every single time it'll use it. I think get water and use item water are better used as part of a decision. How do you make a decision?
With thoughts.
How
Indent.
do you tell the code to make a decision?
What, is it not indent?
You can indent it. An indent is involved, yes. But
Okay.
what decision would you be making?
To use water.
Yep.
Okay.
In what situation would you use the water? I'll give you a hint.
Thank you.
I'll give you a hint. It involves get water.
Okay.
Get water. So if I used get water on this specific tile right here, right now, it would tell me 0.04. My desired water level in my programs is usually 0.9.
Okay.
So
I say if like I would do it like after I plant, would I like indent if?
yeah,
Yeah? Really?
yeah.
Whoa!
If the water level
if
is
yeah,
below
if
whatever you want it.
get water. Or wait, no. Yeah, get water. Right? It's to that one. And then did it. And then I put 1. Then
If
use water.
Get water is less than.
Oh, can I? Okay. Less than.
That's the thing, though. I'm not certain if you have that yet. I'd have to look at the tech tree real quick.
Okay, I'll do whatever. 3. Yeah. Oh my god, I sent that a minute ago.
Variables.
Jesus. Melin is Naruto stinky maki. Eat my ass, bro. That shit clean and nice and that shit waxed. They are your stalkers, 100%. I don't know what it is. I don't know who they are. But you know what? I'm not going to call them out. If they want to be lurkers, they can stay lurkers. I don't want to make anybody uncomfortable and force them to talk if they don't want to talk.
Yeah, I
But
think
it
you
scares
need
me.
this piece of tech first, operators, and then you'll be able to do that. Otherwise, right now, it's not going to be able to... You can use item every single time. It's a little bit wasteful, but it's not that big of a deal. And worst case scenario, you run out of water and then it just can't. And it'll just complain that it can't, but it'll keep running.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
So,
Okay. So I can't do nothing. I can't do nothing until I unlock that shit, huh?
you can still keep planning it, but the other thing is I don't think you really need to do that right now because it's taking a little while for it to plant, to move through everything already. So I don't think you really need to speed up how fast it's going since it's going to take a while for your drone to go to the next one anyways.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Like, it'll help a little bit, but it's not that big of a deal. But let's take a look at the other things that you can unlock right now.
Okay. Why is it wax? Why aren't you waxing? Bruh, you gotta wax everything. Well, you don't have to. You can keep it up there. But I prefer to not have any hair. I'm such a hairy motherfucker. If I could, I would love to do a hair laser removal from the neck down. Like 100%, bro.
Hey, look, you can get operators right now.
Operator.
On the right.
This guy?
Yep.
Whee!
Hey, look.
Whee!
That
Ow, ow, ow,
includes
ow.
equals to, less than, or greater than.
Ah! Okay, so now I can do what we were talking about.
Yep.
Oh wait, hold on. After? Did we say after? Yeah, we did.
So,
After
you
planted,
planted,
if
it would not be indent if.
Oh, bean
it would
check.
be if.
If it would just be if. Okay.
Yeah,
If
it would be if, and then the thing to do, if that's
Get-
true, is indented.
get water. Did it, and then we'll do great anything then 0.
Let's do
5.
0.5.
Yeah! Okay.
Yeah.
Look at us. Wow. Okay. And then that guy?
Yep.
Right? Yeah.
Yep.
And then that should be automatically indented, so then use item.
And
Item.
what item are you going to use?
Uruguay! Water! What's in the water? Water! Okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
Let's try it out.
Whee! Nothing wrong with the little hair. No, there's nothing wrong with the little hair. However, I'm just a piece of shit that I just get so itchy and I hate my fucking hair, bro. Right now, I'm trying so fucking hard to not shave my head right now, bro. I'm trying so hard because I'm trying to make it grow. So when August comes, I can shave it all off and donate it. But I want to get rid of it now. I want it gone now.
Mood.
I hate this, bro. I hate this. I don't know if I said this already, but I hate when I find my hair everywhere. It's in my ass crack. It's in my vagine. It's in my toes. It's in everything, bro. If I find my shit in my hair, I don't want to eat it. I don't know what that is. But if I see somebody else's hair in my shit, I don't give a shit. I'm hogging that shit down. I'll see myself out. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I talk too much.
If you highlight over any of those tiles, you'll see what the current water level is.
Okay. Water 0.7. Okay. Yep. So then I should start making it where it's...
No. That's fine.
Oh, okay.
You can leave it there. You can leave it more if you want. If you leave it more, then they'll grow faster, but it'll take more water to keep maintaining that level.
Okay.
So
you know where the door is.
0.7 is fine.
Okay. Oh, I messed it up. Damn, my TikTok live got suspended for bullying and harassment. What did I do? Oh. Guess I gotta wait on that one. Alright, so... I mean, this...
Not
okay.
sure if you noticed.
Huh?
Not sure if you noticed, but you also got an achievement for...
Yeah, I did see him! I got, like, Mad Farmer. Is that what it said?
Something like that. I didn't see what it said.
Oh. Yeah, no. Yeah.
I saw it was for keeping all the water level above.
Yeah. Are you proud of me, Papa?
So, you're doing a good job.
Yay! I was actually dark side, but yeah, I'll take it. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Oh, I forgot about that one. Thank you. Okay, so I mean,
the rest of the operators that it's telling you about are all things like you can do addition, you can do subtraction, you can do multiplication, division. The double/1, that is so if you want to do division with decimals, you do 1. If you want to do it and ignore the decimal, that's 2.
Oh, okay.
So 5 double divide by 2, that's 2, because it would be 2.5, but then you just ignore that.
Okay.
And then modulo, that's it's very, very similar to remainder. There is one very subtle difference, but think of it basically as like the remainder.
Okay.
So if I did 5 modulo 2, 5 divided by 2 is 2 with a remainder of 1. So you would get the remainder part, 1. Okay. That's the idea.
All right. What else should I try to get to have me survive this game? Like, I mean, yes, these things would be cool, but what else can be good to survive? Sweet Jesus. 20 times? You're right. That's wrong. What the fuck? Ooh, I'll fix that later. All right. Which one do I need? Debug?
I think senses would probably be the most useful one that you could get next.
Senses? Okay. All right. Let's see. The drone gets seed now. That's scary sentence, but okay. The function pause. What the fuck? All right, pause and pause. Why?
Position.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, this one I know. This one I know. This one I've seen. Okay, anyways, at the start position, they're both 0. The X position increases by 1 every tile toward east. Ah! The Y position increases by 1 every tile towards north. Okay, so it's just like a grid. Got it. Number items, return how many of the items you have. For example, number items, hey, return how many you have. Get entity type, get ground type, return the entity ground that is under the drone. Do a
Do you
flip.
remember?
Yes.
Do you remember before? I was telling you, like, we can do the whole, like, tilling the ground, but you don't have a way to tell if the ground is tilled right now?
Oh, now we can? Now we can?
Yes. That's get ground type.
Oh, okay, get the entity. I see now.
Yes. Get
Okay.
entity is for the plant there.
But yeah,
But if you
sorry,
scroll up
yes.
a little more, it's get ground type. And then
Yeah.
get ground type is going to tell you if it's grounds.soil or grounds. I forget what the other one is. Grassland, I think.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Sounds cool. Sounds cool. For example, number locked will return the number of speed upgrades. All right. Numbers unlocked.
You don't really have to worry
senses.
about those. I wouldn't worry about them too much for now.
Okay. So, all right. So, if I want to do carrots, I should have enough of every. Or wait, no, it wasn't carrots. Wait, what was it? That I had to till again. Wait, why did I
Carrots
have to
you
do
need to
till?
till. Grass needs it to be not tilled. Bush needs it. Can work with either or.
Okay, so let me
So-
stop this. Let me get to the carrots again. All right, so let's do this.
Sense-
All right.
Senses allows you to do a lot of stuff. Let's get up code block because starting now you no longer need it. Let's assume, for now, we've come across a random state. We don't remember where it was before it got completely interrupted in the middle of the code. I've come across a new tile, and I don't know if there's an entity there or not.
Okay. So then
How
that's
do we check to see if there's an entity there?
get
if there's a
entity
plant?
type.
Yes.
Okay.
So let's start a new code block. Just so that way we can
Okay,
have
gotcha.
all
All right.
the fresh
Yep,
stuff.
yep. Testing for dome. All right. So let's do.
It'll still be in a
So-
while loop. So we're
Oh.
still doing a loop.
All right. Wow. True.
While true. We'll do that for now.
True. Deed. All right. Deed.
All right. We've come across a new one. We don't know whether or not if there's a plant there or not.
So
So
then.
get entity type.
Oh, wait. Hold
Yep.
on, wait, is it block? Okay, it is. All right.
Yes.
All right.
Now,
Energy type.
what it's going to do is it's going to say, all right, you have an entity type. That might be none. That might be entities.bush. That might be something else. It might be entities.carrot or whatever.
Huh?
Let's
Oh,
hold. So, when it runs get entity type, it's going to do some code in the background, and it's going to come back, and then it's going to essentially replace that with entities.bush, entities.carrots, entities.something, or if there's nothing below it, it'll replace that with none. We also now have a way to check a condition, such as if that equals something. So, what we can do is let me write up the code alongside.
ooh,
Wow.
damn, that motherfucker got loud.
If get
If get.
type. So what we can do is we can check to see, does that equal nothing? Is there nothing below me right now?
Okay.
The reason why I want to check to see if there's nothing is because if there's nothing, suppose we have this as our program for we want to plant more carrots.
Okay.
Then if there's nothing, then I know that there's nothing below me, and I can just try and plant there.
Okay.
If there is not nothing, so there is literally anything else, I don't care what it is, I can harvest it all the same, and then I can do. I can harvest it, and then I know there'll be nothing. Right?
Okay. I don't know. Yes, but also there was a lot of negatives in there.
That's fair. That's completely fair. Let's show an actual example. So, Yeah, it doesn't like that I'm doing this.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry to cut out your farming time.
How dare you? I only have literally billions. So, element functions, import that, move, beauty. Ignore these are extra things that I've made custom. Um,
God damn!
we-
Damn! Okay.
we'll run this. This is just useful to run because the moment that it'll finish, it'll clear out the entire farm. Then
look at
we'll
it, look at it.
plant,
Okay.
let's see, entities dot.
What? Dinosaur? Bitch, I said if there was any animals!
The dinosaur is dead.
Oh.
It's a fossil.
Well, you didn't have to. You didn't need to do that.
I told you there's no animals. It's because he's already dead.
Oh. Thanks.
Did you want me to tell you about the dead dinosaur?
No, you know what? No. Alright, you could have lied or something. God damn.
I told you there's a pig.
Son of a bitch.
Did I lie?
No. Fuck you. Okay.
All right. We have 3 things. If we look at specifically these first 4, actually, I want you to move these to get out of the way a little bit.
Hey,
So,
Giancarlo,
we
why
have-
did he go so quickly?
I have a lot of speed up.
Apparently. All right. Yep.
We have these first 4. All right. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out. That one is just so that way I can get this all set up and it'll be all nice. So if I start from here, what I can do is while true if get entity type.
I hate the model fucking.
He wants to be in view. And that's, good for him.
Look at him, no picky.
While the drone is here, get entity type will return none. If memory serves. In fact, I can run it right now. Let's see. Footprint, get entity type. And then I have to have this here. None. So it's over nothing right now. So because there is no entity below it, it returns none as a result.
Okay. Okay.
When I start going through, I want to make sure I'm planting nothing but carrots. I don't care if there's grass below me. I don't care if there's a bush below me. I don't care if there are carrots below me. I only want there to be nothing below me, so that way I can plant it. So my thinking is, while true, if get entity type, let's say I want it to be nothing. So if there's anything at all, it doesn't matter. I could do something like if it equals entities dot. I could do this, or if it's get entity type equals entities dot. That's going to take a while to type out everything. I only care about if it's nothing, and I only want to do something if it's nothing.
Okay.
So what I'm instead going to do is if it's nothing, then I can plant. If it does not equal nothing.
Okay.
Shut up. Giving me an error just because it doesn't like that I don't have stuff down here yet.
Yeah, how dare you?
I know. If it's nothing, then I know I can start planting. If it's anything else, then I need to harvest it, and then it will be nothing. So it doesn't matter that it's any one specific one of these types. It just matters that there is something there.
Okay.
And the idea, that's the reason I'm doing not equal none. Because if there is anything except none, any value at all, and this is going to be entities.carrot, this is going to be entities.bush, this is going to be entities.grass, anything at all, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to harvest it. After that, then I can do plant entities dot carrot. And the reason, that's the idea. This is the reason why it's saying like it can see, because without anything like get entity type, I just have to kind of assume that everything below me is already tilled, or assume that it already has something, like some plant that it can grow below, or whatnot. But now I have a way to check what is below it. That's the idea.
Okay.
Do you follow?
Yeah, sorry. I just got jumped. I do follow. However, hello. Thank you so much for the follow. Appreciate it. Welcome. Good luck following, bitch. We do it lessons.
You can stop me if you have something that you...
Fine.
Okay. Feel free to stop me if you need to do anything.
Nah, bro. You're good. I mean, if you see me, I'll fucking scream. It's fine.
Exactly. Perfect.
All right. Okay. So, and then if it does need to be tilled, then that's when you put the ground soil, whatever the fuck, till, and then
Exactly.
Okay.
We now have a way to check to see if it's tilled or not, right? So we can check for that as well, because we need to check before we try and plant the carrots. If we try and plant the carrots when it's not tilled, then it'll give us an error and it'll stop running. So what we should do is we should check to see first if get ground type. This, you'll only get 2 values, so you don't really have to worry about like getting a whole bunch of different types. But the only types that will run across are either groundland or soil. If it's grassland or soil.
Okay.
If it's grassland, then we'll till it, and then it'll become soil. So after this 2 lines of code, we know for a fact it will be soil. After these 2, we know for a fact there will be no plant. After these 2, we know for a fact there will be soil, and then now we know we can plant the carrot.
Okay.
That's the idea.
Grassland. Is that the only one is that the one only for the fucking for the carrots?
The idea is because it is grass, we need to till it.
Okay.
And that's why I'm checking.
Okay. So then should I copy you on that one? Wait a minute.
You can copy me if you'd like.
Does that work? Does that
Exclamation
work?
Point equals. Exclamation point equals, the exclamation point means not. So if it is not equal to none. And I know double negatives and whatnot. The idea of it is if it is anything except for none.
Okay.
If it is any value except for none, because I want it to be none. I want there to be no plant underneath. And then harvest will make sure that there is no plant underneath.
Oh, I do have that. Cool. I don't know. I thought that was gonna be one of the expert ones. Oh, the other one I do want to do is I want to get more land, bro. I need more land.
Yep. We can do that.
Whee! All right, and then I'll do plant. Plant that motherfucker. Give me my carrots. I don't know. Apparently, I need carrots for fucking. I need carrots for.
Actually, there is one more thing I forgot about.
Oh.
Remember, we don't want to harvest if it can't be harvested yet. Otherwise, we're just wasting it. If can harvest.
Oh. So then... Oh gosh, do I have to do all the... I have to do the indents too. No!
Sorry.
No, you're fine, you're fine. Okay. And then fucking damn, and then fucking damn, and then fucking damn. How do you do that shit so quickly?
Because I'm used to it. I've been doing it for years.
Damn. Well,
Then,
Yoshi's a lucky man. Fast fingering.
I know.
I'm sure he loves it.
You only know the half of it.
Okay. Alright, and then you're right. Move that hoe.
Mm-hmm. I would recommend moving that down one.
Huh? Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
There's some reorganizing that we could do to make this a little bit better.
Oh, I'm sure.
A little bit more
I'm
robust.
sure. I mean, yeah, I could even see your little... The fact that, that you have like a... Damn, bro. It is pretty interesting. I don't know. It's interesting to see everybody's way of doing this language because pretty much, you know, you're right. It is a language of its own, and anybody can speak it, but it's best to put like notes or code or something else to make it organized or clean so anybody else can read it, even though it's still the same language. It's pretty fun. Okay. Yeah, I'm getting carrots. Yes. All right. Okay, I think I'm quite understanding it, but I wouldn't put it past it. Something gets stupid. All right. Okay. How do? Damn, bitch. All right. Well, I'm sure I'll get speed eventually up in here, but how do I? Which one's more land?
Do you remember the last one you did to get 3 tiles instead of 1?
Huh? Shit. This one? Wait.
Left.
Yeah,
Expand.
Expand a hoe! Let me expand a bitch! Okay.
This also gives you probably one of the much more important things that you need. Which is the for loop.
The fucking what? Okay,
it's called... So we have the... take a look at expand 2. You have the while loop, right?
Yes.
The for loop is a different type of loop.
Okay.
The while loop will do the exact same code the exact same way every single time that it's looping through, and it'll continue to loop through while the condition is true. Most of the time what we've been doing so far is we've been waiting until that while condition is true, but if you want a quick little example of a situation where we would not do that, is... Suppose we do here. You saw before that I have my...
a lot of shit.
I had the water level thing, right? We'll make that again here. 0.9. Water level equals 0.9. I think you would need to have the unlock variables, but you may be able to get that right now. So you could also do this along with me if you wanted. That bottom right one. There you go.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
So, but ignore that for now. We'll just do this. So the idea for the variable is we have a name for it, water level. So I can think about it as just the abstract concept of water level equals 0.9 instead of thinking about like, oh, 0.9. The reason this is useful is because every time I want to use water level, I can just use the name for it. And whenever I change water level's value, I can change one instance of it here, and then they'll just use that value every time throughout the code. So if I use it in a lot of places, then I can just use this instead. So, the reason this is useful, though, is for an example of a while loop where we're not just doing while true. What we can do is while get water... What was it? Yeah, get water is less than water level, then use items dot water. As long as the get water for this tile is below 0.9, it'll continue to use more water. Once it is done, and once that water level is no longer below 0.9, then it'll exit the loop and it'll stop. This will be difficult to see because mine is running so fast.
I know.
But as you can see,
Yeah.
it'll just go there and it'll use it a few times and then it'll move on. But then because the water level's already pretty high, all the subsequent times it'll only need to use one or two.
Okay.
But in fact, I can show you step by step. That's the way that it's working.
Okay.
Anyways, so this is a while loop as you would normally intend to use them outside of just while true.
Okay.
There is a different type of loop that is so frequently used in programming, we have a specific name for it. The name is a for loop.
Oh.
I wouldn't worry about those for now.
Oh, okay.
So, the idea is, suppose I only want to go through these 5 sections right here.
Okay.
Suppose that was my entire, or let's go with your example. I only have these 3 down here.
Okay.
What I could do, and I'm going to make another one as just an example, and then I want to move down here. Just get rid of that. Actually, where is it? Multi-pumpkin, because I just want to clear out everything, and that's useful. Suppose I want to run through all 3 by 3 section that I have down here. This is my entire farm, and I specifically do not want to leave it.
Okay.
What I could do is, every single time that I'll run through my loop, every single time I'll increment a little number. So what I'll have is, let's call that number, we'll just call it n. And we'll start it at 0 because I'm starting at, this coordinate is 0, 0.
Okay.
Let's call it x, all right? We'll have an x and a y. They'll both start at 0. And what I want to do is I want to go right 3 times. The way that I can do that is I can say while x is less than 3, move east. But then x is going to continue to be less than 3 because x is always 0. So what we'll do is after it moves once, then we'll say x equals x plus 1. And then I'll move 3 times. Now, I wanted it to stay in the 3 by 3 area, so I really needed to just move 2, but it's whatever. It moved 3 times. This is such a common thing in programming that we have a specific name for this type of structure here, and that is called a for loop. The idea is I'll do for x in range 3, and we'll do this one more time, so no, I don't need to do that. I just need to move it there. For x in range 3, this is in essence, the spirit of this is it will do the exact same thing we were doing before.
Okay.
It will start out with x at 0, then until x is above 3, it'll continue to do the same thing over and over and over again. It moved over 3 times. The full way that you would use range here is you would do range 3 And they have it specially set up so that way it understands range 3 means from 0 to 3 increment by 1. But if you wanted to get all of those variables, you would do from 0 to 3, but not including it, and then move one more time each time you go through it. But a lot of the times you just needed to do, like, I need to do this code 3 times. So that's a very common way of just doing it instead. And that's the reason why they give you access to do that. The reason this is useful, every time you go through this loop, X will be different. And I can prove this by showing you. We'll do quick print, which you will have access to.
Sorry, no, sorry, you guys can hear the chickens.
I saw that as well.
They're going crazy, bro. They're angry, I don't know what for. Okay.
So what it's doing is, the first time it runs through the code, X is set to 0, then it moves east, then it prints out 0. Then it finishes that iteration of the loop. It'll go back up here and it'll say, okay, I am still less than 3, so I'll do the next loop. It'll increase by 1, it'll move east, and then it'll quick print X, which is now 1. And it'll do that again. It'll go to 2, move east, quick print 2, and then it'll say, all right, I'm done. I go up here. It is now equal to 3, and that now equals the limit of the range. So I now need to exit out of this loop. It is no longer less than my limit.
Okay.
So then it'll finish. The reason this is useful is because if I wanted to do something like your little 3x3 farm right there, what I can do is I can say, let's see, for range in 3, and then for Y in range 3, move north.
Motherfucker took off.
If I think I do have a way I can show you this. I gotta remember what the exact syntax is.
I believe.
Simulate. Globals. Expand. I know you care a lot about that expand.
Hell yeah! I'm so sorry, you guys. Yeah, I could see that the chicken noises are kind of getting loud. I'm so sorry. I'm putting them down. No, but I'm lowering the volume.
It's kind of messed up, Melin.
No.
And then I want.
God damn! What the fuck? I just looked away for 2 seconds.
Which one was it again? File name.
What the
file
fuck?
name
What the fuck? Hi. Huh. Eat. God damn! Get it! Don't stop! Get it! Damn! Motherfucker going. Okay.
The idea of this right here, ignore all of this. What this is doing is it's just letting me say I want to run this as if I had a smaller farm.
Yeah.
So you can just kind of ignore all of that.
Thank you, because oh my gosh, bro, I looked away and you just had the whole world open.
No.
I got so scared. I was like, wait a minute, that's not on the test. That's not what we've been studying about. Okay.
All of that is stuff that you get later, much later, and the idea is because like I want to test how this works as if I had a smaller farm. So the game gives you ways to do that, and that's cool. All that it was.
Yeah.
What I'm doing here is.
God, I wish.
You can see it's I'm going to slow it down even more because he's still going a little fast.
Look at him! Look at him go! Look at him! Look at him go!
I have him move up 3. So then by the time that he's done moving up 3, he wraps around back here. Then he moves over. And then he'll move up 3 again. And he'll move over. Then he'll move up 3 again. Then he'll move over.
Okay.
And the reason this works is because he'll move 3 times east. But after he moves east, he'll move up north 3 times. So he'll start here, move east, north 3 times, east, north 3 times, east, north 3 times.
Okay.
In fact, I can show you.
Look at him. Look at him go!
He moves east, then he enters into this loop for moving north 3 times.
Look at him!
And then he's done with that loop, so he'll go east, north 3 times. And the benefit of this is I can now have him go through every single tile that I have on my farm. And just for my own sake of consistency, I like having him move north then east. But that's not very important. What I'll do is I'll have him say harvest.
Ah, damn, he got whirled the fuck up. Okay.
And now what he's doing is he goes to every single tile.
Look at him go!
You remember how before we only had a line of all of the tiles to go through.
Now he going around.
Exactly.
Seeing the whole town.
The benefit of this is now because he's going through all 2-dimensional, all of them in this direction and then off to the right, is now I can tend to 9 squares at the same time. It requires a little bit more thought about how I'm doing it, but it's still very useful.
Okay.
And there's one more thing I can do to make it even a little better. Okay. But this is something you don't really have to care about too much.
Like the insider trade. Look at him go. After staring at your little drone for a little bit, I have just noticed that it's got like a little cowboy hat.
Yeah, yours does too.
I know you did fucking look at him! Look at him! Look at him! He's so cute! Oh, I didn't even realize it until I was just like, wait a minute, is that a fucking? I thought it was just a drone, bro.
Well, he's a farmer. He needs a hat.
No, I don't know why I didn't think of that. I just thought, that's just the drone body. It's so cute. We got a little piggy. We got a little drone farm.
I have a little treat for you. Go to the tech tree.
Treat?
Mm-hmm. The tech tree. Remember?
Okay. Yep.
Change hats. In the top left.
Oh, that's what that. What is that? What is it? Oh, that's what that thing does. Yeah, I was like, what the fuck is their hats in a fucking farm, bro? I don't need that shit. Change hat.
Now you can run a command, and it'll change for any hat that you have unlocked.
Oh. I'll just have it while it's in here. Fuck it. Change hat. No way. Should I just? How do I know which ones I got? Well, hats.
I think those are the 4 that you start with.
Hats.
I think you can.
Purple. I want to do purple because I'm purple. This is me. I'm purple. Let me see. Oh, he did it! Look at him! Oh! Look, you guys, it's me! Oh shit! What the fuck? Ah!
He's so fashionable.
I know, look at him. Can I see I can't even rotate it. I thought I could rotate it like a 3D. I'm dumb. Look at him, he's so cute. Alright, like that. That's so cool. He harvested. Alright, so let me
I would recommend put change hats at the beginning of the program. Otherwise he'll change the hat every single time when he's harvesting.
Well, I mean, he's Fuck it, he's fine now, right? He's gonna. Does he change?
Yeah, that works.
Oh, okay. I was like, don't tell me I have to do that for each one. No.
You don't have to.
Yeah, he purple. He purple like me. Ow, ow, ow.
Eventually, down the line, you'll get multiple drones, and they all start with the same regular color hat.
And I can make them purple.
You can make them all purple, but you would have to tell each one of them to wear a purple hat.
Okay. No, that's...
Which is not hard to do, but you can.
That's so cool. Okay.
Yeah.
Look at it go. Alright, that's so adorable. I know, isn't it? Alright, so... I gotta do a whole... No, I could do it in here, right? I could do the whole move in here. Dee. Bitch. So what the fuck is that? Oh. The fuck did I just do? So what is all this?
It's explaining how the for loop works.
Okay.
So the for loop works technically a little bit different from what I explained, but I think it's a little bit of a technical detail that you don't know. I don't think you need to know exactly how it works. If you want, I don't mind explaining it, but...
I mean, I don't know. I was just like, okay, no, you're right. It does say the same thing. I don't know why. I just saw the eye and I was like, what? It's saying something different. Okay.
I is a very common variable that you would use in a for loop for I don't care what this is, just some number.
Okay. So
The usual meaning is like, let's say, imagine I have a list of numbers, and I have to tell it which number that I want to pull out of it, but I can only tell it, like, the position. Is it the first position, the second position, the third position, or what? And if I want to go through every single one of those, very frequently people will use I, and the reason is because it's the index. So I usually means index, and then because you're usually going to be using that variable a lot, they want to keep it short, so...
Huh? What happened?
It doesn't like that there's not an indented thing after for Y.
Whore.
It needs to be more indented.
Wait, okay, all of them?
Yep.
Oh wait, do I even need this? Oh, hold on. Okay. Angry. How dare it? How dare it?
I know.
And he's purple, look at him go! And he's purple, look at him go! Oh, shit. He's not going. I lied. Oh, is it supposed to be?
So, within Y, he's going to move north, and then after he's done with Y, he's going to move east. Alright.
Pinche pendejo.
Gesundheit. But the way that you designate that it's outside of that Y for loop, there you go, indentation.
Ah! I done it! He's done what I did it! Ooh, ooh. Yeah, clap that cheeks for me, bro. Clap them cheeks for me.
Hell yeah.
I don't hear any clapping. What the fuck happened?
Blame Discord. I don't know what the heck.
Damn, boo. Alright, hell yeah. Look at him go! Look at him go! And he's dropping me motherfucking carrots. Alright. Whee! Alright, what else would be important to understand? Fuck print. I don't give a shit about print. I mean, the plants make sense. Oh, you know which one I kind of don't understand is the... No, we did go over the water. Never mind.
Yep. What I would recommend, some of the things that may help you out right now, if you upgrade any of the, like, carrots or the bushes or the tree, or not trees, you don't have trees yet, but carrots or hay right now, when you upgrade them, every time that you harvest them, they'll harvest more. I believe it'll double every time.
Oh, nice.
So the first time you were only getting 1 per. The second time now you're getting, 2 per, then 4 per harvest, that is.
Okay. Okay. Seems alright. I fuck with this. This is actually, yeah, okay. What else what else do you think I should do? What should I do, another one of these?
I think right now it looks like you're out of wood.
You're right. Okay.
We need Yoshi.
Damn. Alright. Okay. And then, well, shit, which one was that one? Bushes and trees. Okay. But, anything else that would be crunchy?
I think this would help you out right now.
Right.
So, this will make the code a little bit more versatile. So, if can harvest, harvest.
Okay.
So, go up there, if can harvest, harvest.
Oh, wait, hold on. You know what? I'm gonna do another one, make it prettier.
Perfect. That works.
Dee 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 dee. Alright, so 1. If you can harvest, you gonna harvest, alright?
Mhm.
And then harvest. Okay.
And do we want to do... Let's do this one as bushes.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, shit.
Bushes, they don't care if it's grassland or soil, so we can ignore this.
Yay, so it's just plant. Wait, no.
What I would say is if get
Get
entity
entity,
type
okay.
equals none. And the reason I would say this is if you can harvest it, sure, harvest it and then plant another. But the thing that I don't want to do is if there is already nothing there, like right now, most of your farm has nothing.
Yeah.
So those will never be able to be can harvest.
Yeah.
But we still would like it to be able to plant something there.
Okay.
Therefore, if there's nothing below it, such as, for instance, if it did harvest, then go ahead and harvest it.
Yeah.
Then, if you want, you can also do the water level. That'll help it run a little faster. I think your farm is large enough you don't really need to worry about that for now. But if you want to.
Where is it? World size. Oh, wait, no, that's for the movement. Never mind.
Yep, that'll actually be useful as well for the for loop.
Whenever I get more land.
Well, I mean, I think that would be useful in this one as well, because we're going to do this for all of your bushes, right?
Yep. All right, so
the last code that we had for bushes only went north, so it didn't use, all the other columns of your farm that you had, right?
Well, yeah. All right, so I don't have the water level thing that you have, so I'm just gonna put 0.7.
Yeah, that works. You can also make the variable at the top for water level if you want.
Oh, is that how that works?
That's all it is.
Okay, because I was like, wait a minute, I don't got it. All right, so
I made the variable here. The variable is defined as water level, and it's been given a value of 0.9.
I'll put 7.
I did 0.9. You can do 0.7.
Yeah, fuck you.
And then
All right, water level. All right, there we go. Hey, I got the thing down. All right, use item. I just got a cramp in my leg doing that, bro. I'm old. Bro, holy shit. God damn. Well. Right, items. Uguay. And then move that hoe. Move that bitch. Okay.
Now, your code is going to run into a problem.
What? No.
Mm-hmm.
Well, let's see.
Do you think you can figure out
Nope.
what problem it's going to run into?
That?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Nope. Oh, what? Bitch, what's wrong with you? Oh, ain't that.
Yep.
Ah, look at it go!
Yeah.
Getting the hell of wood. I'm getting the hell of
But-
wood. All right, I need it to move though.
Yep. You want it to go into the other columns as well, right?
Yeah.
How did we do that last time?
Fucking. Motherfucking. No, I want to cheat, but I don't want to.
Well, let's think of it. Okay.
Okay.
So we can use a for loop. The for loop will, do that loop so many times. How many times do we need it to move north?
3.
So that way it goes every time to every tile north.
Would it not be 3?
Uh,
Oh wait, no.
it would need to move 3, but it needs to run 4 times.
Yeah.
And if it runs 4 times, then it'll wrap all the way back around to the exact start. So that's a useful place to go.
Okay. Why is everything capitalized? Get away from me. All right, so it would be the 4 whatever X.
I have a recommendation for you.
Yeah, what's up?
Instead of range 4, instead of that, you can do range. You now have access to a new function, get world size.
Would it be in the?
Yep.
It would be in here. Okay.
Yes. The way it'll work is, do you remember how before we were doing get range 3, and now we would be doing get range 4, right?
Yeah.
Get world size is a function, so it needs its own open close parentheses.
Okay.
And when it runs that function get world size, it'll right now for you it'll say, yeah, that's your world size is 4.
Wait, so you said it does need to get its own thing. So I do have to get it out of the
Inside.
Oh.
Inside.
Oh, okay. Okay, sorry.
So right next to get world size.
Mm-hmm. You said it needs its own open close parentheses.
Open close parentheses.
So just fucking that doesn't feel right. Wait, so just range, get world, and get world size, get that shit out of here. Get that shit out of here. What are you doing? Stop! Like that? Where is it?
Mm-hmm.
Get. I hate this. Okay, so we got range up in this one.
Their autocomplete is okay at best.
Alright, so get world size. Better.
Yep. Now, when you do that world get world size function, it'll essentially replace that with 4.
Oh! So that's how you have it
Now-
running when there's more humans. Or more blocks.
Yes. But the problem you're now going to run into is now you'll have 4x in range 4, but 4 isn't inside of parentheses. So it doesn't know what to do with that 4.
So then after that that's where we put the move afterwards? What?
Here you go.
What?
Remember, think of it this way. The function is range
Yeah, so it's
The
trying
value
to
I'm telling
okay. So it's trying to get
is 4. And the way that it's getting 4 is
Is
it's
by
doing
getting-
get world size.
Okay. Girl. No.
World. And then it'll do get world size, and that'll essentially replace it with 4. That's the way that it's working. And that's the reason why you need...
Damn. Okay.
Yep. And the last thing is you
bean
need to
chipping
make
no.
sure there's no space right here. Between range and the parentheses.
Okay. And then
Perfect.
I also
you see how it changed from white to yellow?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Like the cum in the jar, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Like for your My Little Pony.
Which one would you have in the jar?
I don't care about My Little Pony.
Well, okay, it doesn't have to be My Little Pony. It could be any figurine. What figurine would you have in the jar?
One in there.
Oh, what?!
I find it funny that I have so many more clips on your
No, you don't. You ain't got shit. You ain't got shit on me. You ain't got shit. I'm clean as a whistle. I'm a say so fucking VTuber. What are you talking about? What are you talking about right now? Ah, moves! Yay! Look at it go. Oh my gosh. You know.
Actually, yeah, that does work.
Oh,
that works perfectly fine.
Wait, what were you gonna say? What do you see? What else can I have done?
Was going to say, it doesn't have another like for loop inside of here to tell it like, yeah, do that, 3 times and then go around. But it works out perfectly fine because what it'll do is it'll do, essentially this harvest move north. And then I don't care how many times it needs to move east. I need it to keep moving east every single time.
Mm-hmm.
But the benefit for doing this way instead is, let's say, for instance, I need it to run through every single tile in my farm exactly once. Let's say, I don't know. I want it to cover the whole farm in nothing but bushes. Okay. And then once it's done with that, the next time it'll go through and it'll cover all of it in hay. And then the next time it'll cover that in all carrots. What I could do is I could say, like, do all of this and then every single time plant carrots.
Okay.
And then once it's done here, then it'll make a decision for... Oh, whoops.
Huh.
Then it'll make a decision after this block of code will run through every single tile once, and then it'll say, okay, I don't know, plant entity to plant, and then we'll say, after that, it'll have some decision it'll figure out to decide which one to plant, and then it'll run through again and say, plant entity to plant.
That's the idea. Ends. Okay. That's pretty cool. I'll follow with it. That makes sense. I like how it's called entities, though.
Does that remind you of something, Melin?
Yeah, you're fuck ass.
I'm sure.
If not, yeah, I don't know about you, but I don't know, bro. You got wood on your mind. Fucking look at you. Duh, nothing to say. You're quick with everything else.
That was only quick because Yoshi was here.
No, you're right.
Now that he's gone,
I know you miss him. Damn, bro. The fuck? Okay, item wood, carrot. Carrot! Okay. Actually, you know what? How did I get speed up in this hole? Where the fuck is the speed?
Near the top.
Was it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're right. I was thinking it was seed. Give me that motherfucking speed, bitch. Give me that speed, bitch.
Need more carrots.
It's always the carrots. I got a new hat. Everyone, shut the fuck up. I'm changing my fucking thing. Hold on, let me change my thing. What was a hat? That's.
I would recommend that outside of the wild loop.
You did say that. Oh, tree hat. Okay.
But you can just highlight the whole thing and then,
Yeah,
cut.
but...
Control
Cut?
X. Control X. And then Control V.
X does that too?
Yep.
Or it's
So
X
C
is
is copy.
Yeah.
C is copy, but X is cut.
Cut
Like
and
as if
copy?
you cut it out of the paper and then you can paste it somewhere else.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yep. That was
Oh, look at that! Oh shit! I shouldn't have done that. Oh, that looks funky. That's a cryptmetry. That's a dildo cryptmetry, bro. What is this? It's got like, look at this.
About?
Look at this.
What are you
It's got
talking
bumps
about?
and everything. That's a flared base, bro.
Yeah, that's a plugs tree. That's not a freaking hell, Melin.
I'm going back to purple. I want my purple. Purple like me is. I want purple. There we go, purple. All right, change it once. All right, get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Oh.
You could leave it in there. So that
No! Keep it shame. Alright, cool. I fuck with it. Alright, let me get some more motherfucking. Let me get some more fucking. Oh wait, no, never mind. I was like, let me see what else I can unlock. That wouldn't make any sense. I think everything kind of makes sense. I mean, I'm sure it's just adding another adding another entity.
But now that you have it running faster,
Yeah.
it can have more of them planted at the same time, more of them growing at the same time.
And that's what you're showing with having the no, or having it where it's like, if it's either this property or this fucking entity or plant the other entity, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Then, shit. Yeah. I'll fuck with it. I'll probably fuck with it some more and then harass you if I do need any more help. But other than that, I'll fuck with it. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 game.
You've gotten quite a bit done.
Hell yeah. Praise me more.
You've been doing well.
Yeah! Let's go!
You've done good.
Yay! Appreciate it. Okay.
I'm glad you've been enjoying it.
Yeah, I thought, honestly, I really genuinely thought I was gonna cry.
No.
I almost cried during Nick's fucking thing.
Oh no.
I'm just a sensitive bitch. It's gonna happen anyways. But alright, this is pretty fun. I appreciate it.
Hell yeah. Did you want to keep going or did you want to end it here?
Nah, I'll probably end the stream. I got another thing I gotta do, unfortunately.
That works.
But appreciate it, and of course I'll harass you if I do need something. Do you want to say something to the people before I end? Damn, I don't know how to say that without sounding like we're fucking calling it quits on life, bro.
Don't do it if it doesn't have a flared base.
Y'all heard it here. All right, I'm gonna go right into the chicken so everybody can be blessed with animals. The animals. Oh, let me see. Our chicken. Ah! Wait. It's our chicken life. Oh my gosh. What was that? I was trying to fucking indent like a dum-dum. Oh my gosh. This game's fucked me already. I don't know. Damn, that's crazy how that worked. That's not how that's supposed to work. Alright. Let's see if that works. Yay! They let us raid! Alright, if everybody can just stay just a smidgen longer. Let's go get these fuckers. Let's go raid these motherfuckers. I appreciate y'all for sticking around as long as you have. And let's go see some chickies. Alright, behave! Bye-bye!
See ya.
Alright. I appreciate you, Mupin. I'm heading off to on the call.
No worries. If you want to do this game on stream again, feel free. I don't mind doing it again. If you want to just do it offline, that also works.
I appreciate it. Yeah, of course. Ow, fuck! But yeah, no, I gotta. Since I'm, like I said, I'm leaving for